Hi everybody, this is Bonnie and I am back with alternate number 3 for November's Paper Pumpkin idea. For this one, I've decided to make this little wine holder for your wine bottles. And you could make this bigger so it goes down farther, or you can do it just like I've done it. It's a cute little way to dress up a bottle of wine if you're giving somebody some wine for New Year's Eve, or even for Christmas if you're going to someone's house, or Christmas Eve. So let's get started on how I did this. So the first thing you're going to need is you're going to need one of these or the blue one, whatever one. I'm not going to cut this one because I have another idea for it, but I'm going to explain it to you. You're going to cut off the end of this, and this will give you this will give you 2 tags if you want the front of just the house, or if you want the back too. You may not want the back of the house because it just has a bunch of windows, but I'm going to use the back of the house because I think that's fine. I think it's okay for what I'm doing for it. So you could cut this off and you will have this for your house. So I cut the front off and I used just the front. I just cut right on that score line. So now I've got the back part of the house, so I just cut off the top little flappy that was on there. I cut that off. Now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to get a piece that is 2.5. You have 2.5 by 2 3/4 of a piece of Whisper white paper. Then I'm going to bring this in your scoreboard. On the 2.5 inch side, put it on your trimmer, and on the 2.5 inch side, you're going to go over to the 1/4 inch score line, and you're going to score. You're going to score at a 1/4 inch on both sides. So we're scoring at a 1/4 inch there, and then we're going to flip it around, and we're going to score at a 1/4 inch on this side also. So now we have 2 1/4 inch pieces on each side. And so we can go ahead and we can score that down. So we're going to score it that way, and then we're going to score it this way. Now you're going to take either a circle die or a punch. If you have a circle die, it'll definitely be easier to find the center on this, to eyeball center it. I don't. I'm just going to eyeball center. You guys know I do that a lot. You can either come in from the side like this, or you can come in from the side this way. So that's how I'm going to do it. I have my 2 score marks on each side, and I'm going to come in like this till I feel that I've got the center. So I think it's probably not, but I think it's going to be close enough for me. Maybe back just a tiny bit. Right there. You can measure it out, put an X on it, do all that fun stuff, but I mean, if it's really off, maybe you should do that. But for this piece, I feel I'm okay with doing that. So now we have this. So now this piece is going to glue, or you can either glue it, or you can use your tear and tape. I'm just going to use the liquid glue because I have it right here and it's handy. So I'm just going to put this down. I'm going to put this right on here, just like so, right on. Oops, I thought I had it down. Right on my score mark there. I can't tell quite because it's white on white. That's one reason why I like to use liquid glue. I could pick it up and it gives me a little bit of wiggle room. So it looks like that. Sorry if you hear my dog whining. He wants in here, and I've got the door shut because right outside my craft room is my living room, and my husband is watching something and it's very loud. So I don't even know if you might be hearing that in the background, and I'm very sorry. Every now and then it pops in loud. So now I have this, and you could make this any size. You could make this bigger so that you can have a bigger, wider mouth ring on it. Now what you can do, these already have reefs in all the windows, but you have all these little lovely reefs that come with them, and if you wanted them to pop up or just one, You could put a reef in every window. You could add a tag on this, and you can just slip this one right over top, and there you go. You have this really cute wine bottle cover, or if you have sparkling wine, whatever to that effect that you're going to give. And I think this is a cute little added thing to just dress up a bottle of wine for you guys. So that is it, and that is how I did this alternate number 3.